Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen and the place where me speak on. Cook, give me any boy. Me can't.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another reaction video. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Let's get to it. Okay. We just don't eat normal burgers anymore. Okay, now we add the French fries on. Who puts syrup on a burger? Like, why can't you just eat it normal? No, she did not. No, she did not just add marinara sauce to a burger. So you have a normal burger, you add fries, you add syrup, and now you're at marinara sauce. How much more disgusting can this thing get?
Are you measuring it?
Oh, why not? Why not? I mean, TikTokers making food, the one thing you know you're going to have for sure is cheese. A whole bunch of cheese on there for no reason. I guess you don't have cheese in the burgers already. If you're lactose, you're toast, because you can't have none of this delicious meal.
A pound of cheese? 2 pounds of cheese?
Oh my God, look at all that cheese. For no reason. It can't get no worse than this. And the gloves would be nice. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now she adding raw bacon. You adding raw bacon to the food that's already cooked. It doesn't make any sense. Here I am saying it can't get any worse, but it's progressively getting worse and worse. Oh my God. Canadian bacon. So you're going to put that on top of raw bacon. Here go the syrup again. You know how this, come on. You know how disgusting this got to taste? You put syrup with marinara sauce? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, now she about to add McChicken. Now she about to add McChicken. You might as well add the bun. It can't get no worse. Oh my God. Oh my God. She gonna put mayo. She already got syrup. Now she gonna add mayo and lettuce, and I assume pickles on top of it. The concoction that you never thought you would ever. I know she did not just add more marinara sauce. I know she did not add more marinara sauce, as if it wasn't already disgusting. Yo, wow. And more cheese. What is wrong with TikTokers and cheese when they cook? It's quite heavy. What did you expect when you got all that stuff piled on top of it? Did you not expect it to be heavy? Oh my God.
40 minutes?
40 minutes. Okay.
You ready?
Now y'all know daggone well. Y'all know daggone well that cheese and that whatever that is was not in that oven for 40 minutes. There's no way. The cheese is not even melted. And it's the Kraft cheese, the Kraft singles, so of course it's gonna melt in no time. That wasn't even in there 5 seconds. There's no way. Or it wouldn't have looked like this. It would have been more melted than that. So I know the bacon is probably not cooked. Well, some of it is burned, so maybe, I don't know. Either way, it's disgusting. That's crazy. Like, oh my God, that looks disgusting. Back that up a little bit. That looks disgusting. Look at that. Look at that. That looks so nasty. Oh my God.
What did you get?
And then, oh, they really gonna try it. They really gonna try. Wait a minute. That's that Banana Loves You Too girl from TikTok that's always making food in the toilet. That's why. Now it makes sense. Of course, their taste buds aren't even working. Of course they gonna think it tastes good. I can't believe it's that same girl. That's why. Well, let me know in the comment section if y'all want to go to one of these people's houses so y'all can taste some of their fancy food. Because this right here, y'all don't know nothing about this. This rich people stuff. Y'all don't know nothing about this. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got to get with the times. That hamburger, syrup, marinara sauce, all that cheese, bacon, all that poison. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Y'all got it. Y'all's bank account got to be up here before y'all know what's going on. Hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Again, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Until next time. Why does this look like it ain't? It looks fine. Peace out.
Right, Vibes Kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.